Welcome to my second video on how to make a hand-carved bear. Today we will be finishing the details on this bear, turning it into this bear. Before we dive in, please have eyewear and gloves. And if you're a kid underage, you should always have parent supervision and approval. Let's dive in. As you can see, our bear is a rough sketch and his face is very square-like. So what we're going to do is with this rotary tool, we're going to round out his face, his legs, and his arms. Hi friends, I'm back. I had to move running from the sun. So what I did while I was gone was I shaved right here at the bottom where the arms meet the body. You can see the indentation right here, creating like the arms so it doesn't look attached to the body completely. Now what we're going to do is smoothen out this body line and the arms. So I wanted to stop and show you guys what I've been doing. So first of all, I rounded out this face, made the ears distinct, nice and round, started making the nose more distinct right here from the mouth. And also what I did was I cut straight through the middle of the arms to make two of them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut straight. We're going to cut little lines to indicate the claws. We're going to make the paws right here. Alright, let's dive in. Okay friends, so now we've finished the rough sketch and we made some holes in the ears so it's not flat, and we indentated the nose and the mouth. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create the fur lines. As you can see, it's not just flat. We have fur lines all over the body. But for this part, we will obviously need gloves and eyewear. But if you're a kid underage, do not do this. An adult needs to do this because this is a razor sharp blade. Alright. So what we do is we're going to crease the line all the way down. Keep doing this. Follow the bear down. So friends, what I did was, I drew all the lines all the way down, and with the Dremel I created the paws right here. So you have 4 up top and then one big one at the bottom, and I created 3 claws right here. But now we're going to color in the eyes and the nose to make it very distinct. So this is our finished bear, as you can see, and we have the lines, the paws, the eyes and the nose, and the claws. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.